welcome to Metabo. You will participate now to a world premiere. We will show you the most powerful and most handiest 18-volt cordless angle grinder with 1500 watts in the world. In our cutting challenge now, we see a couple of models with the same conditions. The most powerful tools, the most powerful batteries, fully charged, the same cutting disc with the same pressure, and a real thick steel blade to cut through. Wow! Where the other 18-volt tools in the middle struggle, our smaller 18-volt tool cuts through quite easily. And even though it's just 18-volt, it cuts as fast as a 40-volt on the right. So if you really have big cutting chops, there's no other choice than Metabo.